Hello everyone, Zine with you, and today we'll show you how to use Cloudy Code for beginners. Please stick to the video because at the end I will show you some tips in order to simplify the usage of Cloudy. Okay, now here as you can see, once you open the website, just click on Try Cloudy, then confirm, then click on continue. And you should also sign in using your account. Now I have signed in already using my account, so now I can type any code that I actually need. You can go to chats here in order to see all the chats that you have done with the chatbot. I have just typed, I need a code for making an application like Anki Web with flashcards concept. Now you can add here your decks. You can even study the deck from clicking on study. Now if I want to see the code, you just have to click on this option right here on the top right side, and here's the code. You can copy it, or you can see first the interface in this area right here, then click on show answer and choose between easy and hard and do the same, and look how the application appears on your preview interface. Now this is the code interface. You can copy the code, you can do some modifications to it if you are already a programmer. So it is very useful and helpful, and you can even add, let's say, add more cards in Spanish deck, for example. Then here it will add more cards. It will just take a couple of seconds, and now it will type the code just like so, as you can see. Here we have question 1, question 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. till 25 questions with 25 codes. So here as you can see, these are the questions and this is the code. Now you can use it instantly. Here on the left side, you have the chats between you and him. You have the projects, the artifacts, and the code. When you click on code, it will jump you directly to the website again. So keep that in mind. Now you can do some edits to this codes right here. Now let's say that I will type here hi. Instead of hello, I will type hi. Let's say improve. I will type here hi, for example, then click on update. Then here it will actually modify it. I will ask it to type hello and hi at the same chord, for example. And that's it. Here it modified it. Now let's click on study. Here it shows me hello and hi. Now here I give you some tips for using Cloudy Code. Be specific about your goals, clearly describe what you want to build or fix. And instead of typing create a website or make a website, try typing create a responsive portfolio website with a navigation bar, about section, and contact from using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Number 2 tip, provide context about your project. Share relevant information like your tech stack, file structure, dependencies, or any errors you are encountering. This helps Cloudy Code understand your environment and provide better solutions. Number 3, iterate and refine. Do not expect perfection on the first try. Review the code Cloudy generates, test it, and provide feedback about what works and what needs adjustment. Cloudy Code can help you debug, optimize, and improve the code through conversation. Bonus step, you can ask Cloudy Code to explain its code changes, add comments, or follow specific coding standards and best practices for your project. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.